Superstar Rajinikanth has just left from his residence in Chennai's Poise Garden and is heading to the Raghavendra Kalyana Mandapam in Kodambakkam to meet with members of the Rajini Makkal Mandram. It's expected that Rajini will in fact tell his association, his fans association members on exactly what his decision is. But these are visuals of Rajini's car leaving from his residence. Number of fans who gathered there and who also, you saw there, throwing petals at the car as he passed by. But he refused to stop or interact with the media. Akshaya Nath is joining us with more details on this. Akshaya, you're headed right now to the Raghavendra Mandapam, about 15-20 minutes from really Rajinikanth's house. While fans that you've spoken to seem to be expressing a lot of hope that Rajini is going to announce his political plunge, all hints so far indicate otherwise, that he's perhaps going to delay it or say that he's putting it on hold.
Well, Akshita, we're seeing that today is going to be a jam-packed day for all those Rajinikanth fans. A much-awaited meeting with the superstar, we can say, because, since COVID-19 started, we haven't seen a glimpse of superstar Rajinikanth, and so has his fans association members as well. So we had seen a huge gathering outside his residence, and all of them showering flower petals at his car as he was venturing out. And then he's directly moved to Raghavendra Kalyana Mandapam, the marriage hall, where he's likely to meet the fans association's office bearers. And it'll be a very interesting meeting because just 12 days to go before the superstar's birthday, and we're already seeing that there's a lot of hype and speculation once again around his political entry, and people are really eager to know if superstar will make that political plunge or not. Akshita, we need to remember that in less than 5 months' time it is a state assembly elections, and the superstar, when he had said that he wants to enter politics, had stated that if he's contesting elections, it will be for the state assembly elections and nothing before that. And but now, sooner to the elections, we're hearing a lot of rumors about his health condition, his doubts about whether or not to enter politics. And now will be the right time for the superstar to make it very clear, because it's been a drag so far. People have slowly started losing interest.
Yes.
And as we're seeing, at least the Rajini Makkal Mandram members are really keen to see him enter politics. The posters outside his residence is reiterating that fact here. We're seeing that a lot of them saying that if we vote, we'll only vote for the superstar.
There's a lot of pressure, Akshaya, from his fans for him to take the political plunge, and clearly it's now or never. Akshaya, we'll keep coming to you for the latest updates. Rajinikanth currently on the way to the meeting venue. That will remain our focus here on India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.